Okay, yeah, here's the fuel system. There's that looks like a fuel shutoff valve down there and a fuel strainer or a fuel sediment bowl down there.
And see, here's the carburetor kind of intake manifold inlet to the carburetor assembly that's right here. It's very unique. I mean, that's just a lot different.
Yeah, there's the carburetor. There, let's see. There's.
And it's hard to see where it takes in air.
Yeah, there's the flow tool.
And that looks like it's not connected. There's a picture in the book that shows that connected.
Yeah. That may even be like a preheater device to help provide heated air into the carburetor.
I wish we had a temperature gauge to help with it.
Yeah, there's probably a port where you could hook up one on the water. Yeah, here's where you would. What you could probably do is just replace this hose with a fitting. Just put a fitting in here.
And in the hose itself?
Yeah, you probably could do that. Just replace this. This looks like an ancient hose too. Just insert a T-fitting in here with the appropriate, like a 1/4 inch.
I wonder where the original.
Well, what if it was, like on the Alice Chalmers tractor, there's actually a thing on the radiator cap itself. I think a lot of these old cars had and you can view it from the driver's seat to tell the temperature. That's where the temperature gauge would be, because I didn't see one in there that's got amperes, oil pressure.
Oh, you're right.
That's probably what it was. It was probably up in the radiator cap itself.
And see, look at the clock here. The clock.
Yeah, the clock is detachable.
This is how you wind it.
Okay, so I guess every time you drove the car, you just have to remember to wind the
and then you can
clock.
set it.
Okay, you just pull that out, huh?
1/4 till 3. And you can hear it ticking. And then you just pop it back in.
So what are these? Okay, you got the clutch pedal, you got the brake pedal, and the accelerator.
Yeah, and this is just a footrest.
Okay, here. And there's the starter switch here, huh?
And the spark retard goes here for starting, and then once it's driving, you can advance it to the driving range area. And it has also a manual throttle control.
And then, so there, what's this? What's this for here?
This was the fuel pump.
Okay.
But I don't know what it originally was. I don't think it originally would have had an electric fuel pump.
Yeah, that looks like a more modern switch. Just, it may have been a retrofit. And then here, okay, I guess all the electrical controls are for the for the ignition. The ignition switch.
All of the lighting.
Okay.
And the glasses broke on there, and some of the lighting works, and some of the.
See, looks like it's got parking lights up here, and then headlights. Let's see if the headlights. Can you turn them on? Do they? Well, no, not yet. Now, there may still be a problem with them, but they wouldn't have had turn signals. I don't think turn signals as a factory item came about till the 50s.
Cowl lights, yeah, there is some electrical problem because when the horn doesn't work, the lights do work. So there's something.
This may be a 12-volt Uga horn. I wonder if this is. Let me just double check it.
It's 6 volts.
No, it is. It is 6 volts. Okay. I thought maybe somebody retrofitted one in there.
Because there for a while, the instrument light would come on too.
Yeah.
And I don't know, for whatever reason, it's not working.
Okay, let's see, this will be the oil, where you put the oil in. I guess it goes right down into the pan.
Yeah, there's no oil filter on it. It's got a little screen in it.
Mm-hmm.
And we changed the oil.
Yeah.
It's got a little dump valve down here.
Okay.
Just turn it at an angle.
Yeah, that's convenient. And check the Check the dipstick.
Oil's still real clean.
Clean.
And full. Didn't really have any leaks to speak of.
Now here's the vacuum fuel system. It looks like a vacuum tube here.
I'm not sure what that is.
Goes up from the intake
Would this be like
manifold.
a PCV valve? An early PCV valve?
Well, PCV would go back into the... There'd have to be a tube that would connect back into the intake manifold. It may just be a crankcase breather, but non-PCV. It may just vent to the atmosphere.
I think that's right. It's just so you don't build up crankcase pressure.
Yeah. But somebody had modified this with a relay, this vacuum fuel pump system, because it doesn't, the fuel pump ordinarily would be down here and would run off of the, it would run off the camshaft, but...
And see, this would supply engine vacuum here.
Yeah, there's the vacuum input. There's the fuel input, so someone kind of did a retrofit on there.
Yeah.
A lot of these old cars would just have a tank up here and would do it by gravity feed like on a tractor. But this is more advanced technology. But it'd be nice to see this working. They put an electric fuel pump in it to get it working, because apparently the fuel pump was not. There's the steering gearbox here.
Did you?
I don't think so. It looked like it was okay. It looked like it was going straight.
See this one? I took the hubcap off and tightened it down.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cracks in the sidewalls, and
oh yeah, I see
really
that.
That's kind of one of the first priorities, is get the wheel bearings, either new wheel bearings or just pack the wheel bearings with new grease.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got the oil now. The 200. Kind of actuates it.
Oh, there may be like a valve control there, but that's wood. The floor is actually made of wood.
Yeah, but there's no dry rot. Put these in just for a little protection.
Here's the Body by Fisher emblem, and I don't know if I haven't been in a General Motors car in a long time, but at least I remember like in the 70s and 80s they would have these little Body by Fisher emblems on the where you get in the door. Let me get a view of starting it here.